Bookwinding is one of the easiest methods for long-term storage of your bind. You'll need a magazine or a flexible book that's thick enough to provide a structure for wrapping the bind around. Simply open up to about the middle, lay one end flat inside the center, and begin rotating the bind around the book. As you bookwind, it's a really nice opportunity to see all of the special die moments inside of your bind. It's also an opportunity to open up creases from wearing. So when you cover each edge, go ahead and give a little bit of a tension between your hands to open up that fiber a bit so it lays flat. If you have any questions, please reach out. And as always, wrap with love.